Single outlet in-wall cable management system for wall-mounted flat-screen LED, LCD, and plasma televisions. This kit includes a single power outlet for mounting one TV. The included in-wall 12-foot Romex cable and 6-foot power cord are both code compliant. Does not include HDMI cables or other low-voltage audio-visual cables. Does not include PowerConnect cable found in Powerbridge One-CK or 2CK. No more messy cables hanging down the wall between the TV and the floor. No electrician needed. Professional version kit. This system allows for wall-mounted TVs to hide low-voltage cables and wires routed behind the wall for a clean look. Included recessed wall mount plates are hidden behind flat-screen TV mount and should work with the thinnest TV mounts and thinnest TVs on the market. Top reviews from the United States. This product is pretty cool. It works just as it says. The quality and simplicity really surprised me. It's a very well-made product. The thing I liked the most was that the cover plate and box are all together. So only one step once you get the hole cut and the wires hooked up. The hardest part for me was getting the cover on the back that protects the connections. I used this kit to install a 50-inch TV on a swivel mount above a gas fireplace. The nearest out was about 15 feet away and on an exterior wall. So I was able to just go through the chase and exit it out on the side. Worked pretty damn slick. I would buy this kit all day and again and again. The instructions are on the product itself. When researching this product, I didn't see a lot of pictures on installing the kit, so I decided to add probably way too many pictures so anyone looking can see how it works and how easy it can be. I bought the double outlet kit even though I didn't really need it, but if I'm going through the trouble of doing this, then why not? Hope this review helps.